Hi, boys and girls. Yesterday, you listened to the story Amazing Animals. Today, we're going to do an activity with it. Are you ready? Good. Today, we're going to be able to identify the main idea of the text Amazing Animals. And we're going to do this by completing a web and writing a sentence. Our web has to have 4 details, and we're going to complete the sentence frame. The main idea of the text is. All right, let's get started. Main idea. Main idea is what the story is mostly about. We're going to be using this web, and the web is going to include 4 details, and the details are going to come right from the text. All information will come from the text. What I would like you to do is pause the video so you can draw your web. Make your web look something like this. We're going to look back at the story from yesterday, and we're going to be using these strategies. We're going to look at the title in the headings. We're going to look at the pictures. We're going to read the first sentence, and we're going to look for words that are used over and over. The title is Amazing Animals. So that is one strategy. Now we're going to look at all the headings. Let's see. We have polar bear, elephant, camel, duck, giraffe, porcupine, turtle, and dolphin. So those are the headings. This story includes those animals. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look for words that are on almost every page. I'm going to start by reading the story. A polar bear has thick fur. Each hair is like a tube. The hair has no color like glass. The sun makes it look white. How does thick white fur help? An elephant has a long nose. The nose is called a trunk. It takes many years for an elephant to grow 2 big teeth. These teeth are called tusks. How do tusks and a trunk help? So I hear the word help, and I also heard the word help over here about polar bears. Let's see what else. Ooh, how do humps and thick eyelashes help? How do feet and a beak help? How do spots and a long neck help? How do quills help? How does a hard shell help? How do tail flukes and flippers help? Do you see a pattern? What word do you hear on those pages? That's right. The word is help. We're also going to use or read the first sentence on this page. Animals get a lot of help as they grow up. So I'm going to give you my first detail on the web. And the detail I'm going to say is polar bear, thick white fur help. So going back to our web, I wrote polar bears, thick fur helps. What I would like you to do is I want you to come up with 3 more details. Go ahead and pause the video. You can rewind this video and look back at the story and pause it as you need to, or you can listen to the story from yesterday that Mr. Hand read to you. Here is an example of the web. Yours may look different than mine. I wrote camel eyelashes help, dolphin flukes and flippers help, turtle hard shells help. Did you have any of the same ones as mine? Did you have any that are different? That's great, as long as it's information from the text. Now, check your work. Did you write the correct main idea? How animals get help. Use your web to help you complete this sentence frame. You can either say it or you can write it. The main idea of the text is, and go ahead and use your web to help you. Check your work. The main idea of the text is how animals get help. Here are more activities you can do. You can compare and contrast two of the animals from the text using a Venn diagram. Remember, a Venn diagram is when you talk about when two items or two people are the same or different. You will write how the animals are the same in the middle, and you will write how they are different on both sides of the Venn diagram. You could also write a paragraph about your favorite animal from the text. Use the information from the text to help you. Draw a picture and don't forget to use cups. Capital letter. Make sure that your sentences make sense. Punctuation and your spelling and your spaces. Great job, everyone!